against Archfiend.
It's alright, I didn't have that good of a hand, to be honest.
Oh, you think mine up so
Take the maxi. Take the maxi.
Am I taking Maxi?
I know what you should hit. Hold it.
That's the Book of Moon, isn't it? I mean, see.
So funny if I top deck
Shark.
into a shark now.
And go on. So what do you say to somebody you hate?
Wait till I'm going to chain to that. Yeah, I get to draw a card.
Okay, fine.
And then you got a deck there.
Are you fucking serious?
I have a feeling. That's why I always remember. I just have a feeling, man.
Don't worry about it. That's fine, bro.
Oh, you're a prick, Ray. I'm not even joking.
You're a prick.
You have them. You better pay them because Rabbit can dodge it. Why am I coaching you? Shit.
Coach, bastard, bitch.
He's gonna pay it now.
So what do you say to somebody you hate? Would anyone try to be in trouble away? Struggling people NWA.
Summon Talker.
One day I was walking by. When I walked on, I'm falling down. Yeah, sure. Screaming out loud. You got the Book of Moon, so you wouldn't lose your monster if I do something. Yeah, I know you cunt. Yeah.
What? Like what? Like what?
Someone signed them, whatever. Same shit to me.
Fight! Oh, crap, I forgot. Oh, well, I was going to say fight me, tell you. Then I remembered we're getting recorded. So I've got to be
Like a human being.
set 2. Go ahead. Like a normal human being. Oh, snap. Yeah.
So it'll be 2.
Do you remember that Yu-Gi-Oh game, Ray?
What?
When you didn't beat me? Oh, yeah. Mind Crush Rabbit and I scoop.
I would have to do that.
Oh, Yu-Gi-Ohs.
Oh my things.
Mind Crush Rabbit for game. If I drew into a third one, it would be so bad. A bit so bad. Oh shit, he drew into it. Fuck you, Ray. You know, if you attack my side guy, I might just add a rabbit for trolls.
Yeah, you can do that.
You gonna mind crushing me, son? Oh, he's got the, oh, this is bullshit. Oh, it's alright, actually. You've already
Add
used
snow.
these,
Add snow. You transfer and then add graphics.
Why? This is a waste of cards. I'll just leave that snow for a moment. Remove. For that.
Yeah.
Yay, I hit the right one. I know that. Yay. You're not a cunt. I know that. Yay. You bastard got bottom of the you cunt.
Yeah, that's what I have.
I know you. Nice.
Damage that?
Okay. So you take 800.
Wait.
It's on
yeah,
23, I
that's on,
think.
That's on 13.
Yeah. 1,000, yeah.
Fucking bastard fiend, motherfucker.
Oh, you like me now? Just play your mind crush, man.
You good? And then when you
Second
add,
effect?
yeah, what are you adding to grave?
It's not going to the graveyard.
It is.
How is it?
I think it is.
It's what I draw. Am I drawing that card? No.
No, it's adding me, so.
Oh,
How do you like me now?
but oh, okay.
I think I'm going to add it. How many cards when you have 1?
Yeah.
I guess I'll add the wrap. Could always add the Spirit Reaper. I'm going to summon the rat. set a face down. Go ahead.
Mystery.
Effect.
Are you joke?
Yeah, go on then, remove.
Nah, shit, I'll leave it.
Summon, yeah.
2K?
Yeah.
Hello?
Margo?
Oh god.
That's 2.
2K?
Yeah.
Go.
What is it, 15 or...
Bye-bye, shark.
What am I on?
3-5.
Fucking bullshit.
Tank.
Yeah.
Good.
So I lose another...
Last turn, this is.
You can draw now, normally. You won't have to reveal
Yeah.
anymore.
Are you sure?
I think it's first turn.
Nah, this is the last turn, I think. So.
No, I think when you activate it, that counts as the first turn. Because I'm getting your turn.
Let me see.
I don't know what it read anyway.
Let
So.
me see the card. Until the end of and all cards they draw until the end of their third turn after this card's activation.
You added it on his turn, so yeah. So it's basically free turn. How many cards he destroyed so far?
No, so the third turn of this is activation. So that would have been the first turn, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And then you destroy my Spirit Reaper and my Shark.
Yeah. So
Oh,
you
yeah,
don't have to reveal anymore, basically.